Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in this video you are going to learn how to send certificates of your law internship program to interns on their WhatsApp accounts. Alright, let's see what is happening here. So you have created a form with the help of JotForm and you have received a response from an intern which is doing internship in your firm. So according to the data of that intern, you are going to create a completion certificate for him by Google Slides, right? Then you are going to save the certificate here in a Google Drive and then generate a shareable file link from Google Drive. And then you are going to send the same certificate here on WhatsApp account of the intern automatically, right? Now let's talk about the applications we are using. So guys, JotForm is an online form building application in which you can create many type of forms like survey forms or research form. And as I'm using JotForm here, you can use Google Forms, Pabbly Form Builder or any other form building application. Then we are using Google Slides, which is an online word processor in which you can create documents and presentations just like our certificate. Then comes Google Drive, which is an online cloud-based storage service in which you can upload your files and save there. Then comes WhatsApp, which is you already know is a very widely used instant messaging application. Now, suppose that you are a lawyer and you are running a law chamber or a legal consultancy service and you are hiring law students for internship in your firm. Now, whenever a law intern of yours completes their internship, you share with them a JotForm in which you collect the data of the intern. And according to that data, you go to Google Slide to create the internship completion certificate for them. So you are using Google Slides for it. Then you save the certificate here in a Google Drive. Then you generate a shareable file link of the certificate and then manually compile a message for each and every intern and send them on their WhatsApp account, right? Guys, this can be done, but the process I have told you, the manual process can be very repetitive and tiresome for you. So we have a better way for you. What if I tell you that as and when your intern fill this form and submits this JotForm, a certificate get automatically created with the help of Google Slide, and then same certificate get automatically stored here in a Google Drive and a shareable file link get automatically generated and a message get automatically delivered to the WhatsApp account of the intern with the link of the certificate. Yes guys, this can happen and this can be done by connecting all these four applications. But the issue is there is no direct connection or integration present between all those applications. So to connect these applications, I am using a software called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software, and the best part of it is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge to make this connection between all these applications. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this connection between JotForm, Google Slides, Google Drive and WhatsApp is going to work in real time. Guys, this is a JotForm that I have created for collecting the details of the interns who are doing internship in my law chamber. Alright, so you can see we have these details here which are going to be filled by the interns, and this is the WhatsApp account of one of my intern here. So what I'm going to show you is that I'll fill the details on the behalf of one of my intern just to show you the demo, and we will check in the WhatsApp account of the person who have filled this form that if he receives the certificate of the internship here in the WhatsApp account or not. So I am filling the details here. I am filling the name as Ravish. Let's say Yadav. And the email. And here I am going to enter the mobile number and click on submit. So it is showing check your WhatsApp for the certificate. That means our form is successfully submitted. Now let's check in the WhatsApp if we have received something or not. So you can see we have received a new message here. Let's see. And the message is this. It is saying, hello Ravish Yadav, Congratulations, we are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed the law internship program. Please find the attached PDF containing a certificate. We know the certificate will be a great addition to your resume. So this is a kind of message this person Ravish Yadav have received, and this is the certificate which is attached here. So let me show you. So this is the certificate Ravish has received from our side. All right. So this is how it is going to work in real time. Now you guys are wondering how I managed to bring this message here without any manual compilation of the message and attaching this certificate, just by filling the simple form here and filling the details and submitting this jot form. So now guys, let me give you the easiest possible steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between jot form and WhatsApp. So these are the 5 easy steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between JotForm and WhatsApp. So step 1 is connect JotForm to Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect our JotForm with Pabbly Connect. And step 2 is collect the data from JotForm in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we'll bring the data from our JotForm response to here in Pabbly Connect. Step 3 is send the same data to Google Slides for creating a certificate from template. So in step 3, we will connect our Google Slides with Pabbly Connect and create a certificate from a template here in Google Slides. And step 4 is create a shareable link of certificate in Google Drive. So in fourth step, we will connect our Google Drive and create a shareable link of the certificate that we have generated here in Google Slides from Google Drive. Then step 5 is send the same data to 360 dialog for sending messages on WhatsApp. So at the last and final step, we are going to send the generated certificate on the WhatsApp account of the intern by using another application which is called 360 dialog. So I'll tell you what 360 dialog is later on in this video. First of all, let's jump back to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So guys, first of all, you have to open your browser and type here PABBLY, that is pabbly.com. So this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, put your cursor on this products option and click on connect. Alright, now you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this sign up free button, which I have already done, so I'm clicking on sign in directly. So after signing in, this all apps section of Pabbly will open up. From here, come to this connect panel and click on access now. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you have to create workflows to start working. So I have created all these workflows for various purposes. So to create a workflow, click here on this create workflow button. And here you have to enter a relevant name to a workflow. So I have filled the name like this, JotForm responses to law internship certificates on WhatsApp. Now I am clicking on create here. So as and when your workflow get created, you will see these two things, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these two things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect do this. Alright, as in our use case, the trigger would be a response received from JotForm and the action would be a law internship certificate delivered on the WhatsApp account who have filled the form. Now, first of all, click here on this trigger option and from this choose app, choose your application as JotForm. So this is JotForm we have. After this, it will ask for the trigger event. So click here and select this new response. So it will generate this URL. So this is called a webhook URL. So by using this URL, we are going to connect our JotForm with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so you just have to copy this URL from here and you have to go to your JotForm dashboard. So this is my JotForm dashboard and here I have created all these forms and the form we are using is this law internship program form. Alright, so you have to click here on this more option and go to settings of this form. And from the settings, you will find this integrations option here at the left hand side. Click on this integrations. And you will find this webhooks option here. Click on it. and it is showing the integration is up and running. So we have already created a webhook here. So you can also add another webhook by clicking on edit integration, or you can also remove the previous integrations like this. Then search for webhook options here. This is webhooks, and this window will open up and it is asking for the add webhook. So here you have to paste the copied webhook which you have copied from Pabbly Connect like this. So paste it here in this jot form add webhook field like this and click on complete integration. Alright, so you can see integration is ready. So we have successfully integrated our jot form with Pabbly Connect. Now what was our second step? Second step is to bring the data from jot form to here in Pabbly Connect. So as you can see, it has started showing waiting for webhook response. What does it mean? It means we have to fill another form to have the data captured here in Pabbly Connect. So let me open the form again. So let me open the form from here from my jot form dashboard. This is our form. All right, now I am going to fill the form again. I am filling the name as, let's say, Sakshi Agarwal, and the email ID and the phone number, and I'm clicking on submit here, and the form is submitted. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if it has captured something. So you can see the response of our jot form is captured in Pabbly Connect, and it is showing the response like this, the law internship program, the details we have filled like this, right? Now what you have to do is click here on this action window, and from here you have to choose a function by Pabbly which is called date time formatter. So you will find date time formatter here. This is it. Click on it. So why we are using this? We are applying date time formatter to bring the current date which we are going to put in the certificate. All right. So click on this action event and select the action event as current date. Then click on connect. Then it will ask for in which format you want to have the date. So you can select any format. I am selecting this MMDDYY. And it is asking to include the time in response. So we do not want time. We just only want date here. So click on save and send test request. And it gave us the date of today. All right. So this step is also completed. Now let me show you the next step. So we have captured the data from JotForm in Pabbly Connect, and the third step is send the same data to Google Slides for creating a certificate from template. So now we are going to connect our Google Slides to create a certificate from template. Let's do this. So now in Pabbly Connect you have to click here on this plus icon, and from this action window you have to choose your application as Google Slides. So here we'll find Google Slides. And in the action event, you have to choose create presentation from template option. Then click on connect here. And from this window, select this add new connection and then click on connect with Google Slides. So in this window, it will ask for the email ID by which your Google Slides is connected. So select that email ID. And then it will ask for some accesses, which is completely safe. So click on continue here. So you can see the authorization is successful and start showing connected. That means we are connected with our Google Slides. Then these fields will open up below here, and the first field is the template presentation. So here when you click, you will find a list. So these are the list of all the documents or presentations I have in my Google Slides. So let me show you. This is my Google Slides. And I have all these templates created for various purposes, and the template I have created for this task to create the internship certificate for law interns, I have this certificate template here. All right, so the name of this certificate template is law internship certificate template. So in Pabbly Connect you can find this template from this list. So you can see it is showing law internship certificate template. Select it from here only. And then it is asking for the title of new presentation. All right, so you can give the name of the title as you can just map the name of the intern. So you will find the name of the intern from this jot form new response option. When you click here, you will find the response that we have captured here in the first tab. All right, so let me show you. I'm going to click here on this title and clicking on jot form new response, and you can see we have the data which we have captured. So from here, map the name of the intern like this, and with this you can map this submission ID, which is a unique ID. So click on it, map it, so that whenever a new presentation created, it will be with the unique name. All right, Sakshi and the ID like this. Now it is asking for the presentation's location. So here you have to select the folder which you have in your Google Drive, and in which folder you want to save this created certificate. So let me show you the drive. So this is my Google Drive, and here I have all these folders you can see for various purposes. And the folder I have created for saving the law internship certificates is this law internship folder. So in Pabbly Connect you will find the list of the folders here in this new presentation location field. When you click here, and you will find this law internship folder also. So just map it from here only. Now it is asking for the name and dates. Why it is asking these things? Let me show you the certificate template. So you can notice in this certificate template we have this name in double curly braces like this, and the date also in double curly braces. Why is it like this? Because these are the things which are variable in our certificate, and the name of the person is going to change with every new certificate created, and the date also can change if someone fills the form on different date. All right, so to get these things changed dynamically whenever a new certificate get created, you have to map the data of name and date here in Pabbly Connect. All right, so in name field, click here and you will find the jot form option, and when you click here you will find the name of the person who have filled the form. Just map the name and map the full name here like this. And in the date, when you click, you will find the date from this date time formatter. All right, so in this step we have fetched the current date, so map it like this. Then when I click on save and send test request, you will see it will show the response something like this. So the response is like this. It generated a presentation ID like this. That means a new certificate get created. So let me show you in my Google Drive if we have a new certificate. So I'm opening the law internship folder here, and you can see a new certificate with the name Sakshi, and this number is created here, right? So this is the same name we have entered here in Pabbly Connect. You can see Sakshi, and this ID is the same title we have in this Google Drive's folder. So let me open this certificate for you, and it is saying Sakshi Agarwal, and here you can see we have the date also. So these are the things changed dynamically because we have mapped the name here in Pabbly Connect, the name and the date. All right, so this step is also completed. Now it is time for our next step. So the next step is to create a shareable link of this certificate that we have created from Google Slides with the help of Google Drive. So now we are going to connect our Google Drive and create a shareable link of the certificate. Let's do this. So now in Pabbly Connect, click on this plus icon again, and from this choose app, choose your application as Google Drive, and in the action event select the option which is share a file with anyone, this option. After this, click on connect. From this window, select this add new connection and click on connect with Google Drive. So it will ask for the email ID by which your drive is connected. So select that email ID and then give the required access. It is completely safe. Click on continue. So the authorization is successful and started showing connected. Alright, that means we are connected with the Google Drive. Now it is asking for the file ID. So here you have to map this ID which is created in this previous step, this presentation ID. So to do this, you have to toggle this map button to on like this and erase this first. And click here on this Google Slides option in this drop down, and you will find the presentation ID that has been created and map it like this. Alright, now when you click here on save and send test request, you will see it will generate a shareable link. Alright, you can see it is showing drive permission, anyone with link, and the role is reader, and here you can see it has created these links of the certificate. So we have the PDF link, this application PDF, which we are going to use to send to our interns. Alright. So now it is time for our next step. So let me show you. So our next and final step is send the same data to 360 Dialog for sending messages on WhatsApp. So the data we have collected and created a certificate in Google Drive. We are going to send it to the interns on their WhatsApp account, and to do this we are going to use another application which is 360 Dialog. So now I'll tell you what 360 Dialog is and how we are going to use it. So now in Pabbly Connect, click on this plus icon and another action window will open up. From this window, choose your application as 360 Dialog, WhatsApp by 360 Dialog. Click on it, and in the action event select this send template message option. So now you guys are wondering why we are using this application. Actually, to send messages on WhatsApp, you must have the access of WhatsApp's chat API. So 360 Dialog is an application which have the official access of WhatsApp's chat API, and by using this application you can send messages on WhatsApp directly and very easily. So now click on connect here, and from this window you have to click add new connection, and when you click on it you will see these two fields here. So it is asking for the API key and the domain name. So where you will find these things? So you have to go to your 360 Dialog account and move to WhatsApp account and then generate a API key to enter here. And while you do this, you will also get the domain name. So let me bring you to my 360 Dialog account. Here it is. And I am here in this WhatsApp accounts option. And you can see here we have this generate API key button here. So by clicking here, you can generate your own key and then copy that key and paste it here in this field. But I have already created a API key for myself. So this is a one-time task. You can generate the API key once and you can use it many times to create the connections with Pabbly Connect. So I have already generated a key before. So I'm going to choose here, choose existing connection. Alright, because I have already made a connection before for a different workflow. So let me choose this existing connection here. But when you generate this API key, you can enter here and enter the domain here, which you will find like this example, and generally the domain remain like this only. So you can also copy this also. After pasting these two things, click on save and your connection will be connected. Now let me choose here existing connection and I'm clicking on save. So after clicking on save, it will start showing connected like this. That means we are connected with 360 Dialog. Now it is asking for the template here. So what is this template? Let me bring you to my 360 Dialog account again. And here I'm going to click on this manage templates option. So these are the templates we have. So what are these? These are nothing but the messages that we want to send to our customers or clients or interns or students or to whomever you want to send WhatsApp messages. So this is a typical example of a message we have that we are going to send. So to send messages on WhatsApp, you have to create templates here first in 360 Dialog account. This is due to because WhatsApp does not allow spamming. You cannot send any message on WhatsApp. So to avoid spamming, you have to create templates here, and to do this you have to click here on add template option. From here, give the name to your template, select the category of your template like this: payment update, shipping update, or and you can select any category according to your use. You can enter the message in any language which are available here, and here in the body field you can type the message that you want to send. After this, click here on preview and submit. And when you submit the template, WhatsApp's parent company, that is Facebook, will check your template and review your template and get your template approved. So after getting your templates approved, you can use them to send messages on WhatsApp. The standard time of getting your templates approved is 30 minutes to 48 hours, but generally it takes only 45 minutes to 1 hour to get your template approved. All right. Now in Pabbly Connect, it is asking for which template I want to use for this purpose. So for this purpose, the template we are using is this certificate link template. Let me show you. Certificate link. This is the template we are going to use. So I'm selecting this. After this namespace field will be automatically filled. You can see the namespace is filled here, and in the language code you can select the code of the language. So EN stands for English, so select it. Then it is asking for the recipient mobile number. So here you have to map the number of the intern, and when you click here you will find this jot form response option. So by clicking on it, you will find the data that we have captured, and here you can also find the number. So just map it like this. Then it is asking for the header document URL. So here you have to enter the PDF URL that we have generated in this previous step. So this is the URL which we are going to use. All right. So click here on this header document field and then click on Google Drive, and you will find the URL link. This is the PDF link. Map it. And then it is asking for the document's file name. So you will find the file name here in Google Drive only. So the file name is this name, Sakshi, and this number. So just map it. And then it is asking for the body fields. So what are these body fields? So let me show you my template that we are using, certificate link. So this is the template we are using, and here you can see 1, 2, and 3 in double curly braces. So these are the body fields we have in a template. So actually these are the variable things in our message which are going to change with every new message. As you can see, after hello, we are going to put the name of the person who have filled the form. So the name of the person is going to change with every message. The name of the course can also change, just like we are sending here certificates of internship. You can send certificates of many things. And here, after the best regards, we are going to put the name of the firm or the company of ours. So this can also change. So to get these things filled automatically and dynamically when you are going to send a new message, you have to map the values here in Pabbly Connect in these body fields. So the first body field is of the name. So click here and click on jot form option, and you will find the name of the person like this. So map the full name. All right. And in the body field, you have to fill the thing that which for what you are providing the certificate. So we are providing the certificate for law internship. So you'll find the law internship program title also, map it. And in the body field 3, you can manually enter the name of your firm or your company, because I don't think we got the response of company name here. So yeah, we do not have. So just manually map the name of your firm. So let me show you in the template. So this is the name of our law firm, R&K Chamber of Law. Copy this from here only and manually paste it here in this body field 3. And then when I click here on save and send test request, this data along with the link of the PDF will be delivered on the WhatsApp account. So let me click here, and you can see it is showing this type of response. So let's check the WhatsApp. So we have received a new message here, and let me open the message, and it is saying, hello Sakshi Agarwal, congratulations. We are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed the law internship program. So also the PDF is attached here. Let me open the PDF also. And here we got the certificate as well, like this. All right, that means our connection is working fine. So now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger option, we selected the application as JotForm. And with the help of this URL, we connected our JotForm. Then we filled the JotForm again to capture the response here in Pabbly Connect. Then we applied this date time formatter by Pabbly to get the current date, which we are going to put on the certificate. Then we have this connected our Google slide in this action window and selected the action event, selected the template presentation, and we filled the required details to create a certificate. After creating a certificate, we generated a shareable file link with the help of Google Drive here, like this. And the link that we have generated, we apply with the help of 360 dialog, we connected and use this certificate link template to send the message. And here we fill the details required for a message to be delivered. And here we mapped all the required things according to the template. And when I click here, you have seen we have received this message. All right. Now just click on save here. And let me tell you one more important thing, that is you can make this workflow or automation run 100 times in a month with the help of Pabbly Connect's free account, because Pabbly Connect's free account provides you 100 free tasks every new month. All right. So if 100 tasks are sufficient for you, you can use Pabbly Connect for free forever. Also, we are going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description box. So, and also we are going to paste the link of a link in which you will find the link of 360 dialog, and by using this link you can avail the services of 360 dialog in very affordable prices. All right. And also we will paste the link of in the description box of the video in which we have explained how to use 360 dialog. So guys, this is it for today. And as you see, we have connected a few applications in this video by using this Pabbly Connect software. You can also connect many different applications by using this Pabbly Connect software. And if you want any other type of integrations from our side, you can contact us from this email ID, and you can ask your queries from this link in this forum, and you can check the pricing of this software by this link. And if you find this video useful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and keep automating your business with the help of Pabbly Connect. Thank you so much.